everyone. Today we are going to do another comprehension. Suhana and George. Let's start reading. My name is Suhana. I have a baby brother. He can walk. He cannot talk. He can say mama and papa. He calls me Didi. He likes milk and bananas. He does not like to have a bath. I like playing with him. He can sing. I can sing songs for him. My name is George. I am 6 years old. My sister Julian is 10 years old. She likes dancing. She can run very fast. I like swimming. I can swim fast. She can read long stories. I can do addition and subtraction very quickly. Answer these questions. What can Suhana's brother do? Suhana's brother. So let's see. Baby brother. So baby brother is here. He can walk. So first of all, walk. So W and then so walk. W-A-L-K. W-A-L-K. Wait, let me rub this which is going out. I need bit. Yeah. And he can not talk. Well, he can say mama and papa, so I am choosing say. He can say S-A-Y, say mama and papa. P-A-P-A. Okay, everyone. What does Suhana like to do? So, what do Suhana like to do? She likes dash with her brother. She likes playing with her brother. So let's see where is playing. So here's playing. So I'm going to write playing. P-L-A-Y, playing. I-N-G, playing. How old is Julian? Julian is dash years old. 10. So T-E-N. 10. 10 years old. What does Julia? Actually, this was Julian. Julia. I said it Julian. Never mind. It happens with everybody. So now this one. What does Julia like to do? She likes dash and reading. Let's see. She likes dancing. She can run very fast. I like swimming. I can swim. Wait a minute. She likes dash and reading. So let's see. She likes reading and she likes dancing and reading long stories. Aha. So it will be dancing. So let's see for dancing. So this is dancing. D-A-N-C D-A-N-C-I-N-G C-I-N-G Dancing and reading long stories. Very long stories. So let's see. Long stories. Where are you, long stories? I'm going to find you. Where could it be? Over here, long stories. So L-O-N-G long stories. So S T and then I saw O R I E S stories. Now the last one. What can George do? George can dash fast. Okay, George can swim. George can swim fast. So he can swim very fast. So I'm writing swim. So where is swim? Here is swim. S-W-I-M. S-W-I-M. Swim. And then now next. Do and then dash and subtraction very. He can do dash subtraction. He can do dash and subtraction very dash. So here would be addition. So addition. I-T-I after I-T-I would be O-N. O-N. Addition. And then quickly. So Q-U-I and then C-K quickly L-Y. So this is all our activity. Bye and thank